One day, as I sat with an elderly doctor who had over 50 years of experience in alternative medicine, he said a phrase I will never forget. The simplest things are the ones that save lives. Then he pointed to a glass of water and said, "Add celery to it, and you'll be amazed at what it can do for your body, especially after 50. In this video, I'll share with you the secret of this remedy that could change your life in just 7 days. Let's begin by exploring the benefits of detoxification and cleansing. Have you ever felt as if your body is burdened by an unseen weight, a sense of sluggishness that makes each day feel heavier? Picture that simple glass of water sitting in your fridge. At first glance, it may seem unremarkable, but when you blend in a fresh, crisp stalk of celery, it transforms into a powerful elixir. Celery water acts like a gentle broom, sweeping away the toxins and impurities that accumulate over time. Its high water content, combined with a natural surge of potassium, supports your kidneys in flushing out unwanted waste. In doing so, it gives your entire system an internal cleanse that leaves you feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the day. Now, dear friend, let's move on to its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. As we age, many of us notice that our joints begin to protest, whether it's a stiff knee in the morning or that persistent ache in our hands that reminds us we're no longer in our prime. This is where celery water steps in like a quiet guardian. Natural compounds, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, work in harmony, acting like tiny firefighters that quickly subdue the flames of inflammation. By easing joint pain and enhancing blood circulation, this simple drink can help restore a sense of ease to your everyday movements. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, feeling more agile and ready to embrace your daily activities. For those looking to further boost these benefits, a hint of ginger can be added, creating a warming and spicy twist that not only delights your taste buds, but also adds another layer of anti-inflammatory protection. Next, let's talk about digestion and gut health, a topic that many of us often overlook until we feel discomfort after a meal. As we grow older, our digestive processes can slow down, leading to bloating, sluggishness, and a general feeling of heaviness. Celery water, however, offers gentle support to our digestive systems. By stimulating the production of stomach acid, it acts like a natural catalyst, ensuring that your food is broken down efficiently so that nutrients are absorbed more effectively. Even the subtle fibers present in celery help keep your digestive tract active, reducing bloating and promoting a smoother, more comfortable digestion process. Moreover, by nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut, this refreshing drink helps maintain a balanced microbiome, a key component not only for digestion, but also for a strong immune system and even a stable mood. Let's now take a heartfelt look at heart health. As we reach our 50s and beyond, our heart becomes an even more precious asset that deserves our attention. High blood pressure can creep up on us without warning, and the strain on our blood vessels can lead to serious health concerns. Celery water is packed with potassium, a mineral that helps your blood vessels relax by flushing out excess sodium, the hidden culprit behind high blood pressure. Additionally, compounds known as phthalides help to naturally widen your blood vessels, enhancing the flow of blood and reducing arterial tension. This not only supports your cardiovascular system, but also contributes to overall vitality. With each sip, you're nurturing your heart and helping to keep it strong enough to meet life's demands. Let's pause for a moment and consider the benefits for our skin. With the passing years, it's common to notice changes in our complexion. Dullness, loss of moisture, and a decrease in elasticity. Here, the natural hydration power of celery water comes to the rescue. Made up of over 95% water, celery helps to hydrate your skin from within, ensuring that it remains plump and radiant. Moreover, it's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which act as protective shields against environmental stressors and oxidative damage. The presence of silica in celery further supports collagen production, maintaining the firmness and resilience of your skin, instead of relying solely on costly creams and serums. A simple glass of celery water can offer you a natural and refreshing boost, revitalizing your appearance from the inside out. Moving forward, let's discuss the crucial topic of bone strength and mineral support. Our bones are the very foundation of our mobility and strength, and as we age, keeping them robust becomes essential. Celery water is a source of vital minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. These nutrients work in synergy. Magnesium helps bind calcium effectively, while vitamin K ensures that the calcium finds its way into your bones instead of floating around in your bloodstream. This coordinated action can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and keep your bones strong, so you can continue enjoying the activities you love with confidence. Now, let's address another common challenge: maintaining a healthy metabolism and managing weight after 50. With age, our metabolism tends to slow down, and the battle against those stubborn extra pounds can seem never-ending. Celery water offers a low-calorie, naturally filling solution that helps control cravings. Its fiber content encourages you to feel fuller for longer, while B vitamins provide a natural energy boost that keeps your cells firing on all cylinders. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing start to your morning or as a revitalizing drink before or after a workout, celery water supports your body's efforts to maintain a healthy weight and efficient metabolic function. Another important aspect to consider is the balancing of your body's pH levels. Modern diets, often high in acidic foods such as meat, coffee, and processed snacks, can tip our internal balance toward acidity. This excess acidity can contribute to chronic inflammation, fatigue, and a host of other health issues. Celery water, with its naturally alkaline properties, acts as a balancing agent, neutralizing this excess acid and helping to restore harmony within your body. When your pH levels are balanced, your cells function better, inflammation is reduced, and you may even notice a boost in your overall energy levels. This internal equilibrium is essential not just for immediate wellness, but for long-term health, protecting your bones and other tissues from the wear and tear of an overly acidic environment. Let's now explore the supportive role celery water plays for your kidneys and in reducing uric acid. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes that continuously work to filter toxins from our blood and maintain our body's fluid balance. As we age, these hard-working organs can benefit from additional support. Celery water's natural diuretic properties encourage more frequent urination, which helps to expel toxins, excess sodium, and even uric acid from the body. This process is particularly valuable for those who are prone to kidney stones or suffer from gout, as it helps prevent the buildup of painful crystal deposits. Imagine this drink as a gentle cleaning process that keeps your kidneys in prime working condition, offering you greater peace of mind and health. So, let's touch upon the realm of sleep and stress relief, a topic that resonates with so many of us in our busy lives. In today's world, a good night's sleep can sometimes seem like a distant dream. Stress and restless nights can affect our mood, energy, and overall well-being. Celery water, enriched with magnesium and calcium, provides a natural pathway to relaxation. Magnesium eases muscle tension and calms a racing mind, while calcium plays its part in the production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. With a reduced level of cortisol, the body's stress hormone, you might find yourself drifting off into a peaceful sleep, waking up refreshed and ready for a new day. Before wrapping up our discussion, let me share a few practical tips on how to prepare this remarkable drink at home. Begin with fresh, vibrant celery, organic if you can find it, as it minimizes exposure to pesticides. Give the celery a thorough rinse, and if you'd like to ensure it's extra clean, soak the stalks in water with a splash of vinegar for a few minutes before rinsing again. Chop the celery into small pieces and blend it with 1 or 2 cups of water until you achieve a smooth consistency. If you prefer a thinner drink, you can strain the mixture, although keeping some of the natural fiber will boost its digestive benefits. For optimal results, drink your celery water fresh, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning. If the flavor feels a bit strong, a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey can help balance the taste without diluting its health benefits. Keeping some celery frozen means you're always ready to prepare this refreshing drink quickly whenever you need that natural boost. Each sip of celery water is a small yet powerful step toward a more balanced, healthier life. From detoxifying your system and soothing inflammation to supporting digestion, heart health, and a clear, relaxed mind, this humble drink embodies nature's promise of wellness. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the simplest remedies can lead to profound changes in our overall health. So, dear friend, if you're ready to embrace a natural path to better health, consider making celery water a part of your daily routine. Enjoy the journey as you nurture your body from the inside out, keeping your skin radiant, your bones strong, and your energy high. Don't wait to share this with your loved ones on WhatsApp. Stay safe, and may you enjoy the many gifts of good health.